Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you just how easy it is to connect Jira and Salesforce using Getint, walk through creating the connection from scratch and then seeing it in action, syncing a Jira task with a Salesforce case. I'll demonstrate the sync both ways, covering key fields like title, description and priority, as well as the status and comment sync. And if you'd like a more detailed step-by-step walkthrough, check out the full tutorial by Alex Ortiz. You can see on the Marketplace listing right here. It goes a lot more in depth and basically holds your hand from start to finish. So if you have the time, I highly recommend it. But for now, let's jump right in and see how quickly you can get your first sync up and running. Okay, so once you have installed the app from the Marketplace and opened the app, you will see a screen like this, but only in your Jira panel. My deployment is a bit different. Simply hit create integration and continuous sync, and now we have to simply connect to the Jira and Salesforce. We do that by providing the URL to the instance. Let me select it, copy, paste, and there we go. And then you simply need to have an email address and a personal access token with specified access. You can read about it on the documentation, so take your time. But I have it ready, so let me just connect and select the project. Let's choose this one. And on the Salesforce side, same story, URL, create new connection, URL, and then you will have the customer key and customer secret, and you will be in. So let me simply connect to the Salesforce, and there we go. Now we have to decide how the connection will behave, what will be synchronized between Jira and Salesforce. So let's go ahead and use the quick build. Let's see what it comes up with. It will basically match the issue keys, issue types, and fields. And let's see, it has mapped a task to a case with a title, description, and priority. I know for a fact that this mapping is wrong, so let me correct it. On the Jira side, it was correct. It was the title. Getting the fetching all the fields. Let's go, and Salesforce subject, and there we go. We have the mapping. Priority is a choice type field. Those two are text type. This is choice. So let me see if Getint has mapped everything correctly. And if we can see it did a pretty good job. Low to low, medium to medium, and so on. But let me add the remaining ones. So lowest to low and highest to high. And that's pretty much it when to mapping. Let's hit apply. And we can see that Getint is telling us something about the statuses. Let's see what it is about. Here we can see it is telling us which field is representing the status. So that is correct, but let me just map the statuses so that everything is done nice and tidy, 1 to 1. Here I have escalated. Let me maybe to working, and then let's see if the comments sync is as well enabled. It is. Hit apply, and there we go. Now let's simply test the connection and how it is performing, both sides, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so let's simply create an item on the Jira side. So let's maybe select the progress. Let's let's go from here. Let's create a task, make sure it is mapped. Let's change the status maybe to in progress. Let's give it some summary, description, 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't map the assignee, so we don't really care. Low, and on the priority, let's hit create. And I think that should be all the fields that we have. Now let's also add a comment. And let's see how it appears on the Salesforce side. Let's do latest runs. It just ran a minute ago, so we'll have to, it should work and be there in a moment. And there we go. I believe it should be synced. Let me refresh the page. And we can see that the first item has been synced to the Salesforce side. Let's see. The title is the same. We have the comment. The priority is working, which is in progress. That's correct. And the priority is low. Then we also have the description 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can see that this is working. And now we can either update this ticket, this case on the Salesforce side. Let's add a description 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's hit save and maybe even just right now create a new case. Let's do status escalated, priority high, and let's do subject SF2 Jira. Hey, bye. Hit save. And now this should appear on the other end as well in just a moment. Now we can see already one sync has gone through. We will have two syncs because we updated an item and created a new one. It should be done in a moment. I believe we can already refresh and it should be there. SF to Jira. Status escalated, which was working on our side. So let's just see the description, the title, the description, and then the comment is there, as well as the priority is high, which was high here on the Salesforce side. And let's see if the update has gone through as well. 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. We have the connection ready and set up. Now you can modify basically any fields that you might want to add, any additional comments configuration, maybe test the attachment sync, and so on. Okay, so that is all. We have connected Jira and Salesforce. Again, you can get the connector from the Atlassian Marketplace. You can see the page here on the screen. And again, I highly recommend watching the video Alex Ortiz made about the topic. It's about 17 minutes long, so if you have the time, please do. But for now, if you like the video, please like. If you have any comments, comment. And if you'd like to see future guides or any case studies that we post quite regularly, feel free to subscribe. And that is all. Thank you for watching.